What if a few smart kitchen gadgets could save time, reduce mess, and make cooking way more exciting? Today we're counting down 15 clever kitchen tools designed to simplify prep, upgrade presentation, and bring more fun into your cooking routine. From slicing hacks to movie night favorites, these gadgets are ready to earn a permanent spot in your kitchen. Cutting onions and creating perfect slices just got a serious upgrade. This multi-use gadget combines an onion holder and crinkle cutter in one smart design. The stainless steel tines hold onions securely for safer, thinner slices while keeping your hands away from the blade and reducing tears. It also works as a meat tenderizer and creates restaurant-style wavy cuts for fries, veggies, and garnishes. Lightweight, durable, and easy to clean, this tool turns everyday prep into a faster and more creative experience. Would this multitasking slicer earn a spot in your kitchen drawer? Seasoning should never feel like guesswork, and this electric grinder set proves exactly why. With 5 adjustable coarseness levels, you can go from fine seasoning to bold textures with precision. The one-hand battery-powered operation keeps cooking effortless, while the built-in LED light helps you season accurately during late-night cooking or backyard grilling. Large transparent chambers mean fewer refills, and durable ceramic blades ensure consistent grinding for years. If convenience and flavor control matter to you, this gadget deserves attention. How important is effortless seasoning in your cooking setup? Sometimes the most useful kitchen upgrades are the ones you use every single day. This KitchenAid can opener delivers smooth performance with a razor-sharp stainless steel cutting wheel that slices through cans with minimal effort. The oversized turning knob and ergonomic handles provide better control and reduced hand strain, making opening cans easier and more comfortable. Plus, the built-in bottle opener adds extra convenience without taking extra space. Reliable, sturdy, and designed for daily use, this is the kind of tool you buy once and appreciate constantly. Is your current can opener working this smoothly? Precision can completely change the outcome of your cooking and baking, and this magnetic measuring spoon set makes accuracy effortless. Featuring 7 double-sided stainless steel spoons and a leveler, this set handles both dry and liquid ingredients with ease. The narrow oval ends fit perfectly inside spice jars, while magnetic stacking keeps storage neat and frustration-free. Built from durable stainless steel with smooth edges, these spoons resist bending and rust while staying ready for everyday use. Could this organized measuring system improve your kitchen routine? Movie night just found its ultimate upgrade. This indoor electric Esmores maker brings campfire excitement straight to your table without smoke, wood, or open flames. The flameless heater safely roasts marshmallows while the 4-compartment tray keeps graham crackers, chocolate, and toppings neatly organized. Stainless steel construction and included roasting forks make setup simple and cleanup easy. Whether it's family gatherings, parties, or cozy evenings at home, this gadget creates memorable moments while serving delicious treats. Would your next movie night be complete without this sweet setup? Breaking up ground beef with a regular spoon takes forever, but this meat chopper changes the game instantly. Designed with 5 wide beveled blades, it chops, crumbles, and mixes meat faster while keeping texture even during cooking. The heat-resistant nylon construction is safe for non-stick cookware and can handle temperatures up to 447 degrees. It's also perfect for mashing potatoes, mixing vegetables, or preparing sauces without damaging pans. Easy cleanup and simple handling make this a must-have for busy kitchens. Could this be the cooking shortcut your kitchen has been missing? If chopping garlic feels annoying every single time, this premium garlic press is about to save your prep routine. Built with rust-resistant stainless steel, this tool crushes unpeeled garlic cloves in seconds while keeping sticky residue and strong odors off your hands. The ergonomic handle reduces pressure on your wrists, making squeezing easier and more comfortable. It also includes a silicone peeler and cleaning brush for extra convenience. Durable, dishwasher-safe, and designed for daily use, this gadget makes flavor-packed cooking much faster. Would you finally ditch manual garlic chopping for this? Draining pasta without spilling half your dinner into the sink is now a whole lot easier. This clip-on silicone strainer attaches directly to pots and pans, allowing quick hands-free draining without transferring food into a bulky colander. The heat-resistant silicone grips securely even with hot foods and folds flat for compact storage in smaller kitchens or apartments. From noodles to vegetables and fruits, it handles everyday cooking with less mess and more convenience. Why waste cabinet space on oversized strainers when this smart gadget does the job better? Small kitchen tasks become surprisingly frustrating without the right tools, and that's where this collapsible funnel set shines. Featuring multiple sizes and vibrant colors, these food-grade silicone funnels make transferring liquids, spices, oils, and ingredients clean and simple. The collapsible design saves valuable drawer space, while the heat-resistant material adds long-term durability. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe, these funnels are practical for everyday cooking, baking, and meal prep. Compact, colorful, and incredibly useful, they solve a problem every kitchen faces. Which funnel size would you use the most in your home? Imagine making fresh ice cream exactly how you like it whenever cravings hit. This compact ice cream maker creates single servings of gelato, frozen yogurt, sorbet, and slushes right at home. The freezable mug design keeps the process simple while saving space in smaller kitchens, apartments, or dorm rooms. Cleanup is quick, operation is beginner-friendly, and the possibilities for custom flavors are endless. Whether you want healthier desserts or creative late-night treats, this gadget makes homemade frozen desserts feel effortless. What flavor would you create first with this mini ice cream maker? Counter space disappears fast, but this roll-up drying rack brings smart organization back to your kitchen. Made from durable stainless steel with food-grade silicone coating, it supports up to 33 pounds while resisting rust and heat. Use it to dry dishes, rinse vegetables, cool hot cookware, or even create extra workspace over the sink. The foldable design rolls away easily when not in use, making it ideal for apartments and compact kitchens. Practical, sturdy, and incredibly versatile, this gadget works harder than a traditional drying rack. Could your kitchen use this kind of space-saving upgrade? Cooking gets messy quickly, but this silicone spoon rest keeps chaos under control. Designed with 4 utensil slots and raised drip-catching edges, it holds spoons, spatulas, tongs, and ladles while protecting counters from oil and sauce stains. The heat-resistant, BPA-free silicone stays stable near the stove and cleans effortlessly in the dishwasher. Instead of balancing utensils on paper towels or countertops, this gadget creates a cleaner and more organized cooking station. Affordable, durable, and genuinely useful, it's a small tool with a big impact. Would this countertop lifesaver simplify your cooking sessions? Some dirt hides where ordinary cleaning tools simply cannot reach, and this crevice brush tackles exactly that problem. Built with durable hard bristles and a narrow cleaning head, it reaches tight corners, grout lines, sink edges, stove gaps, refrigerator seals, and countless difficult spaces. The non-slip handle improves control during deep cleaning, while the hanging hole keeps storage simple. Lightweight yet powerful, this tool makes detail cleaning quicker and more satisfying. If hidden grime drives you crazy, this gadget deserves serious attention. Which hard-to-clean spot in your home needs this brush first? Water bottle lids and tumbler grooves can hide stubborn buildup, but this 3-in-1 cleaning brush is designed to handle every detail. Featuring a soft straw brush, hard gap brush, and seal remover, it cleans narrow spaces that regular sponges usually miss. The rotating brush head and compact design makes switching between cleaning tasks simple, whether you're scrubbing coffee cups, bottles, air fryers, or small kitchen corners. Portable, reusable, and easy to grip, this tool delivers precision cleaning with minimal effort. Would this smart cleaner become your new kitchen cleaning favorite? Cold coffee halfway through work is frustrating, and this mug warmer solves that problem beautifully. Powered by a 36-watt heating system, it keeps drinks at adjustable temperatures up to 176 degrees while fitting most cup sizes with its larger heating surface. The temperature display, waterproof plate, and customizable auto shut-off timer add both convenience and safety. Perfect for coffee, tea, or hot chocolate lovers, this gadget turns every sip into a warm and enjoyable experience. If you hate reheating drinks repeatedly, this might be your perfect desk companion. Could you see this warmer becoming part of your daily routine? And there you have it, 15 smart kitchen gadgets designed to save time, reduce hassle, and make cooking more enjoyable than ever. From meal prep shortcuts to creative food tools and cleanup solutions, each gadget brings something unique to the table. Which one impressed you the most? Drop your favorite in the comments. And if you enjoyed this countdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more incredible gadget discoveries coming your way.